Can y'all take care of these blueberries for me? I'll be right back.
He lost against a donut. Emotionally unavailable. He's tired of his human.
All swaddled up and ready to go to bed.
He wasn't discreet enough. Surprise had him quickly on his feet. She's just a girl.
Albert, don't try to hide from me, dude.
Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. You know how many cats I have? I don't need another cat. Don't do this to me.
The enemy was too powerful. Retreat was the only option.